Okay, we're going to start with chapter 1. And if you can see from chapter 1, there are 7 different sections that we're going to go through. This video will include the first lesson, and then I'll continue on after that. So this is just basic problem solving. There's 4 steps to solving a problem. I'm not really concerned that you memorize those steps, but if you need to know them, it's explore. So that's basically read the problem, make a plan, how to solve the problem, and then examine the problem. So those are the basic 4 steps. And then we'll work into inductive reasoning and using methods of computation. That would just be, are you going to find the actual or an estimation? Okay, so let's start with the first problem. Just a basic problem solving. The price of a large cheese pizza at Paul's Pizza Place is $9.25. You receive a 50-cent discount for each additional pizza ordered up to 10. So 1 pizza costs $9.25, 2 pizzas cost $8.75 each, 3 pizzas cost $8.25 each, and so on. If you need 8 pizzas for a party, what is the cost per pizza? So what I would want you to do right now is pause and then try to figure this problem out, because I'm going to work through it right now. So the problem gives you, basically you're exploring it. So when you read that problem, you can see that it gives you the cost for the first pizza and the discount for each additional pizza after that. So now you need to make a plan. There's several ways to solve a problem. The beauty of math is that there's more than one way to solve a problem. Most of you probably chose this pattern, just showing the pattern extended all the way down to 8 pizzas. That's one way to do it. That's kind of how I would have expected you to do it for elementary. I kind of want to move you into more of the algebraic thought process, and I want you to think of it as an algebraic problem. So how I would have liked you to have done that problem is think about the fact that it costs $9.25 for 1 pizza, minus you have 7 pizzas, because remember you want 8 pizzas. The first one is $9.25. That means you have 7 pizzas left where you get a 50-cent discount. So you get a total discount of $3.50, and you're just going to take it away from the original first pizza price to find out that the 1 pizza will cost $5.75. So you could do it this way, right here, and just keep taking 50 cents off, or you can say, I took 50 cents off 7 times, so that's a discount of $3.50 off the original $9.25 first pizza price. Let's try another one. The cost of renting movies at Mike's Marvelous Movie House is advertised as $5 for the first movie and $3.50 for each additional movie. Find the cost of renting 6 movies. So pause it here and try to figure it out. Hopefully you got this as your answer. So if you look at this, it costs $5 for the first movie, plus it's going to cost $3.50 for the additional movies. Well, how many additional movies did you buy? Or rent, I should say. 5. Because remember, this is the first one, and you only got 6 movies. So this is the first movie, and then you're getting 5 more movies. That's how you came up with $22.50. Okay, this is just find the next term. So what did you do to 1 to get to 4? What did you do to 4 to get to 16? What did you do to 16? And so on. So you're looking for the pattern. Pause it. And there's your pattern. Just multiply times 4. So to find the next one, multiply it by 4. It's as easy as that. Look at those figures and try to figure out what the next figure is going to be. I usually look at it and go, okay, it's pointing right, up, down, left, right, and then what would be next? Up. So again, looking at this and seeing what are you doing to get each term? And then what is the next term? Could be abstracting what's going on, what's the next pattern? And there you go. So it was pretty easy to start off. The chart shows the distance of selected planets from the sun. The key word here is about. So remember, it was going to ask you what form of computation would you use? My question is, would you give me an actual answer for this problem, or would you give me an estimation? Or would you estimate? Based on the question and the fact that it said the word about, I would hope that you would choose an estimation. So it says, about how much farther is it from Earth to the sun than from Mercury to the sun? So from Earth to the sun, then Mercury to the sun. So let's figure out how to do it. You know the distance from Earth to the sun, and you know the distance from Mercury to the sun. You need to find out how much farther it is from Earth to the sun than Mercury to the sun. And because it uses the word about, we're going to estimate. So that's our exploration. Here's our plan. And this is our solving. Solving it, remember, it's about. So Earth to sun is about 93. Mercury to the sun is 36. So you just subtract them, and you would say 57 million miles further from the sun than Mercury. So that's all you're doing. And it was the key on that question is just to determine what about means. Same with this, you're using the word about. So East Elementary School has 792 students. West Elementary has 518. About how many more students does East have than West? Here you go. That's all there was to 1.1. Nice and easy.